Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I will be rating / ranking your artworks. I think this is it might be the very first time I reacted to artwork. Artwork as in drawings, digital paintings, stuff like that. Not so much renders. There is a distinction between renders and drawings, obviously. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this episode. If you guys want to check out our store, gfxcomment.com, right here we have tons of amazing templates and design packs for you guys to use. Alright, so without any further ado, let's start with this video. So the first thing we have here, we have a sketch from Whoop, who is an art master, which is basically the second highest rank, or well, the highest rank is Grandmaster. It is Grandmaster, which is essentially the best master out of all of the masters. So Master is a pretty high rank. Here is a sketch. Right here is pretty cool. Let's take a look. It has like a little staff here in the back and conjuring some kind of powers right here. Let's see what else we have here. Lethal Corporation. Oh, obviously this is not complete, but I think it looks pretty good so far. I would like to see if the background, if there's going to be more in the background to really accentuate everything. From Sack, here is a cartoony style icon. This is going to work really well for those games. I don't even know how to categorize those games. Like, they're like mobile games, except they are on Roblox. I don't know. Okay, here is another drawing. It's looking pretty good so far. Although his arms seem a little big in proportion to the rest of his torso. Although I'm not an expert, so take that with a grain of salt. Book icon. This one is pretty cool. Maybe consider adding like an emblem or some like clasp thingy on top. I think that would be a good addition. Face sketch, because we got some important school stuff. Okay, cool sketch, but bro is scary. Okay, so profile picture. This thing is pretty cool. This is the Sparkle Time fedora. Redrew an icon I saw online. Nice little slice of a watermelon. Divine Darkness. Eye of Cthulhu. Drawings at school. Not gonna lie, these were some good anatomy practice without reference. Isn't this thing like the Stranger Things little monster? Alright, doors, a painted logo. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.